Good morning. Jerome checking in here about 5:15 a.m. We are getting locked and loaded. Got some cut bait. All the rods and reels loaded up. We had a great day yesterday. Hopefully for more of the same today and a little bit bigger fish. We took first place in one. Second place and two or three others, third place. So, but we know it's not going to stand. The weather's going to be a little better today, so hopefully we find them. We will check that.
Switch it up.
Well, this is day two. It's off to a rough start already. Not just the seas. We are out here catching some bait that's solid 3 or 4 feet. It's blowing 15, 20. I keep my phone right here, always protected, windshield, everything. Never had an issue with it. This morning, we hit a big wave, hits the floor, bounces straight overboard. So, not sure if we're gonna have day one footage at all. I just downloaded it to my phone and deleted it off the GoPro this morning, so I don't know if it automatically saves. I don't know, so we'll see. But it's rough. It's gonna be a tough ride out, but we're catching some bait and we're gonna make it happen. All right, we are just getting out here. We are about 50 miles south of the island. It is so rough, it's like a washing machine. We had a long, slow ride today, once again, both days. So. But we are here, just dropping down my first bait. Let's see if the fish will cooperate. We had to chase them some yesterday, but they did end up cooperating. But let's see if they'll cooperate today. Come on, baby. So my first drop, they took all my bait. John has brought up a couple nice porgies. I got a nice one in there too. And Harvey's got a stud mangrove right here off the jump. So hopefully fish are ready to cooperate. Nick just dropped it down, put it right in his mouth there. Hooked up already. We'll check back in, see what's going on. All right, we are coming up with something. Feels halfway decent. We have yet to get our first red snapper of the day. Let's see. That's kind of what this is feeling like. Not a monster though. But whatever it is, it feels like a decent fish. Oh, that might be on the board right there. Monster hardtail. That is a absolute stud hardtail right there, boy. That's fine. John had a beeliner or porgy on there, and he got upgraded to something, either a big old amberjack or a shark or something. So let's see. He is giving it hell though, reeling it in. Wouldn't it be so nice just to flip that lever forward and let it do it for you? That would be so nice. No, no, no. No, no. Could be the... Of course, I guess they're at the Almaco selection, but who knows? Could be a monster snapper came up and ate your beeliner. Uh-oh, fish on. Gotta leave you, John. All right.
Big color.
What you got? Big shark. No, big amberjack. Monster amberjack.
Yeah, oh,
that's a healthy one there. You can get a picture with him. Here, grab the weight for me. Get the weight off there. Hey, reel mine up. I think there's a fish on there. Check it and see. Ooh! That's a stud. I was busy fighting AJ over here and didn't get the... We got another bearded Brotula, something like that. We have got a fish coming up here. I'm 180. Harvey just got bit on the free line, a live cigar minnow. What is that, a barracuda? Another barracuda. That is our third or fourth barracuda we've caught on a free line. All right, 40 feet. Let's see what we're working with. We have still yet to catch our first red snapper today. And it's after lunchtime, pretty crazy. It looks like a snapper. Might be the first one of the day there. Nice one. Decent snapper. Decent snapper. She's a good one. Thank you, sir. Alright, we drop back down after catching that nice snapper. We are hooked up again with something nice. I had to switch rods because reeling that electric reel. It's nice to have the electric to pull the baits in when they steal your bait, but you got to reel 800, 900 times to get it up to the top, so it's not worth it. Let's see what we got here. Come on, be something good. It's got some dead weight, whatever it is. Hopefully not another AJ. I've already done that once. Come on, baby. Be the right one. It's looking good. That's definitely a snapper. It's just an okay size snapper. That's two. We'll take it. He won't be on the leaderboard, but we'll take it. Y'all hear me breathing hard. Y'all just mind your own business here. This is tough work here from 400 feet or however deep it is. 350. Something stopping the reel here. Hopefully not another AJ. It's kind of what it's fighting like, but hopefully just a monster snapper. We need that 20 plus pounder. That is red. Big snapper. Big snapper. Big old girl. That's what we out here for right there. That's what we out here for. Ate the ballyhoo, son. Love the ballyhoo. Crazy. We will take it. That's a big girl. That's a big girl. Oh. I'm gonna cut me up some more ballyhoo. Oh. It's a little warm today. We're not gonna say nothing though. The weather has chilled out so much. It's nice. We might actually be able to go do some natural bottom fishing here in a minute. But for now, we have caught some nice snapper. We got 3 nice ones in the box. Looks like it might be 4 here. If Nick will quit playing around here.
Big old boy.
Ooh, big boy and something else. You got an almaco and a...
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir. Grab your almaco. Very nice. That's a good one. Very nice. What'd he eat?
Cigar minnow.
Cigar minnow.
What we got down here? Nice. Double.
Right at 10, looks like. Big old AJ just brought up here. Look at that joker. That is pretty. Shame he's got to go back. That'd be some good sandwiches right there. Oh lordy. What y'all talking about over here? Billy got a good one coming up. Come on, be red. It looks like an amberjack. It is another nice amberjack. Yeah, another nice amberjack. Stud amberjack. That is 3 studs. Yeah, big AJ. Whoa. Yeah, you don't get your hand near that guy. We are surrounded. Nowhere to go here. This one just formed right here. That's where we were about to go fishing right over there. Nick is hooked up. Let's see if we can get it up to the boat before the lightning rod comes here. This thing just developed right on top of us. Not great. There he is. Another. Oh, nice scamp. Beautiful scamp. Woo. Beautiful scamp. We are finishing up the day here in our rain gear. It is raining. We have dodged storms all day, pretty much today and yesterday, but we're stopping at some natural bottom. It finally died down enough to where we could attempt to use the trolling motor. There's something on here. It's not very big though, but it is holding, even though it decides it wants to spin around every once in a while, but it's holding. You just have to talk nice to it and unplug it a couple times, and then it'll work. So. We have got a juvenile snapper. He's going back. Nick is hooked up here. It is almost 5 o'clock. It's about time to head out. But we are stopping one last spot here. Nice snapper. He'll be close to a keeper, yeah. Come on, baby, something to eat it. Couple squid, a live cigar minnow. I can't believe they want to tear up that live cigar. There's a better one. That's a better one. That's a good fish there. He's stopping the reel. That's a better fish there. Random 23 pounder down there.
Hold on, bud. You got
Big snapper, big snapper, big snapper. Where's the gaff? Oh goodness. Big snapper on deck, yeah, on the live sea. Big snapper. Ow, hang on. He shut his. Alright, there we go. 14? Yeah, 15. What a day. We have dodged storms all day. Really all weekend. We are supposed to be at the weigh-in station. We got 2 or 3 fish we want to weigh that could potentially be first place or at least